Hello everyone! Today is Thursday and we're going to go over your expectations for Thursday. Alright, here is your playlist for the week 10, the week of November 9th through 13th. Remember, these are the links for the easiest ways to get a hold of me depending on how you need to get a hold of me. Alright, scrolling down to Thursday. On Thursday, we are going to read chapter 15.2, pages 220 to 222. This is the link to your Bookshare website. Remember, Bookshare will read the book to you. Otherwise, let's add the link to your how to get to your book here. Make it easier for you if you would rather read it directly from the scanned copy. Alright, so you can either get directly to your scanned copy where it is posted in your Google Classroom. We are in chapter 15, or you have the option to go to your Bookshare account and log in. Be separated or go to. Alright. The next, so you're going to read pages 220 to 222, or go to your account at Bookshare and have it read to you there. Then you're going to complete the lesson review questions on page 222. There are 4 questions there. You're going to complete them on this Google Doc in your Google Classroom. Again, you do have the ability to complete it on your own sheet of paper. Just remember how to submit that sheet of paper directly in Google Classroom. The directions are there if you need them. Once you've submitted that, we will be completing exercise 61, the different forms of energy. That is also posted in your Google Classroom. Click it right there. It is a Google form. Click, click, click all the way to the end. You may use your book as always. If you have any questions, let me know. You know how to get a hold of me. Bye.